Hi guys, 11 this side. Welcome to this new tutorial video. In this video we will create this HUD world map animation inside After Effects. So जिनको नहीं पता है कि HUD होता क्या है तो उन्हें मैं बता दूं। HUD means heads up display. Most of time हम इसका यूज इंफॉर्मेशन को डिस्प्ले करने में लेते हैं। एनिमेशन में 3D एलिमेंट्स, टेक्स्ट, ग्राफिक्स और शेप में इसका यूज किया जाता है, जो कि हम कॉमनली साइंस फिक्शन मूवीज, वीडियो गेम्स और इंफॉर्मेशनल वीडियोस में देखते हैं। So let's start the video. If you are new here, please subscribe this channel. I already created a composition here. Now I will add the map images. All images are already in correct order. So let's focus on just one part of the map. As you can see that this picture is mostly in shades of green. So now add tint effect on this image and add brightness and contrast and copy my values. Now copy all effect and paste it on all images, but brightness को हम हर इमेज में अलग तरीकों से मॉडिफाई करेंगे, कभी कम और कभी ज़्यादा रखेंगे। Okay, now enable motion blur and convert the layer into 3D. Press P for position and T for opacity and make a keyframe. Drag the position keyframe 20 frames forward and 10 frames forward for the opacity. Copy both keyframes. Now convert all images in 3D and enable motion blur. Now paste the keyframe on all images. अभी सभी लेयर को सिलेक्ट करके 4 फ्रेम का गैप से सीक्वेंस में करेंगे, तो उसके लिए सिलेक्ट ऑल लेयर्स और 4 फ्रेम तक लेयर्स को कट करेंगे। Now right click and go to keyframe assistant and sequence layer and hit OK. Now make second comp and name it circles. Hold shift and make a perfect circle. Now add keyframe on size 0 to 380 and opacity as well. Copy my graph. Scale it down to 67%. Now make 20 copies of this circle and randomly sequence all the layers. Now again scale down and place all the layers randomly at different places. Now make third comp and name it more circle and we will add the circle comps in it. Now जहाँ पे एनिमेशन एंड हो रहा है वहाँ तक कॉम्पोजिशन रखेंगे. And now make more copies of it. Now make fourth composition and name it map HUD. It will be our final comp. And now add map comp and more circle comp in it. Duplicate the map comp and scale down the second layer and change the opacity to 20 for the third layer. Add fill color effect on the circle comp. Now adjust circles according to the map. I am making some changes on the circle comp. Select all circle comp and make more copies of them. And I want those circle to animate faster, so go to time stretch and type 50 and hit OK. Now make fifth comp and name it lines HUD, or you can say status bar HUD. Basically we will create some status bar in it. Now follow my process. Now make keyframe on size and copy my graph. Now delete the second circle because हमने उसको सिर्फ पोजीशन डिसाइड करने के लिए रखा था. Now duplicate both layer and place it. Now add trim path on the bar and keep the start and end value to 50 and add keyframe. Copy my graph. Now add trim path on the both circle and play with the offset and start value so you can have the cut between the bar and circle and make keyframe for the animation. Actually I don't know how but recorder on होने के बाद भी ये process record नहीं हुआ. Now we will make another bar, so make a composition. Keep the circle same and follow my process. Now यहाँ पे opacity का loop animation भी यूज़ किया था but again record नहीं हुआ. So as you can see यहाँ पे 3 की frames है 0 to 50 and then 100. So इस expression से ये continuously blink करेगा but you can add sapphire flicker effect on. You can add exposure effect and set keyframes accordingly. उनसे भी same effect आएगा. Now you can add some text here about the data of the disease and place it here. And for animation just go to animate, choose opacity and make keyframe on start 0 to 100. Now lower the opacity to 0. Now place those composition into the final comp. Now again make a comp. Remove the fill and keep the stroke value according to you. Now change line cap and line join to a round cap and round join and click on this plus icon and choose value to according to you. Make a keyframe on offset 0 to 180. And add this to in final comp and lower the opacity. And again make a keyframe on opacity 0 to 100. And finally all done. So here is how you can create a world map heads up display. Feel free to spice it up with text or additional shapes for a high stake emergency vibe. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials.
My mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me.